Oyawre means good morning in Luo, the local dialect of many villages in western Kenya. My name is Liz Fay, and I'm currently a student at the Boston University School of Public Health. In August 2010, I traveled to western Kenya on behalf of i-KODI to conduct a community health survey and to deliver medical supplies to the local hospital. In all honesty, what I got was so much more. You never know what treasures are waiting for you just around the corner. And for me, his name was Ron. It's unfortunate the circumstances that brought us together, but I'm forever grateful that I got to meet such a wonderful young man.
My name is Ronald Okoth. I'm 14 years old.
So where are you living right now?
I'm living at Papunditia. I'm living with my grandmother.
Okay.
Yes.
And where's your mother?
My mother is at Kindu Bay. That's my home. Yes.
The first night I arrived at the village, I could hear women crying and mourning. Tragic news all too familiar to this village had arrived the same night I did. Are you comfortable talking about your father?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened to your father?
My father was sick. He was very ill, suffering from malaria. So when he was taken to the hospital, he was given some medicines. But he talked for a few minutes and passed away.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
The first time you meet me, you asked me what I want to be in the future, and I told you I want to be a lawyer. The school fees, I'm saying I'm going to lack because my father was the one who was providing me with school fees, but he has passed away, so I'm not seeing where I'm going to get money, but I'm just praying God will help me. So next year, I think I'll join secondary school.
You're showing me some of the schoolwork that you've done.
Yes.
And you showed me a letter from one of your teachers talking about a day where people went to Kisumu.
Yes.
And were you able to go?
No.
Why not?
I was like, we were to go for a trip to Kisumu, but I didn't manage to go because I was lacking money for trip, which of course was very expensive. Yes.
Last night we were talking about how some people have a lot of money, like Oprah.
Yes.
She has a lot of money. And you were very smart, you were very intelligent, you were talking about how money isn't everything.
Yes.
So can you just tell me more about that? What do you mean?
About
having lots of money.
Having a lot of money is not very good because, you know, when you have a lot of money, you just think there's no need of praising God because you have everything, so you can't praise God. Yes. Yeah. To me, I like playing soccer, and I'm also friendly.
Okay.
Yes.
Ron is telling more than just his story. He's telling the story of a community. Rural communities such as Kokech are being devastated by infectious diseases. And the impact is not just poor health or untimely death. Its impact can be felt all the way from the children left behind to the community who must try and pick up the pieces. Why do I feel compelled to help? Because I now see the faces of Kokech. The man I exchanged hellos with every morning as he made farm rope outside his home. All the wonderful people I met at the local food market. My caretaker Pam, who always made me feel at home and had such a bright smile. The local women's group, who welcomed me with song and dance. And of course, made me dance. The children playing on Saturday mornings. Their laughter, smiles, and never-ending curiosity. The one child in the village who was scared of me, who happened to be named after Condoleezza Rice. The families who welcomed me into their homes and shared the details of their daily struggles. And of course, the countless people from the community and local i-KODI board who worked with me day after day. Without them, none of this would have been possible.
Ayaye,